Started tonight. We got 2020 Absolute, 2019 Prestige, and 2018 Score. And we'll just start with the Score. Hope everybody's had a good Thanksgiving, good weekend. All right, let's get started. All right, we got Jordan Howard, Terrell Suggs. We got Austin Hopper, Telvin Smith, Laramie Tunsil, Josh Doxson, Antonio Brown. We got Jacoby Brissett. And we got a Travis Kelce on captains. And Deshaun Hand, James Washington, and Josh Adams. See if we can find that Lamar or Baker in here. Josh Allen, I think, 18th is rookie. Dez Bryant, Larry Fitzgerald, Alex Smith, got Kiko, Theo Reddick, Carlos Hyde, Eli Manning, got Larry Fitzgerald. And here goes Ronald Jones on the NFL draft for Tampa Bay. Going to Shane. There's a Lamar for Baltimore. Going to Brock. And we got Harrison Phillips and Billy Price. Fuzz on there. Lamar Jackson. See if we can find that Baker now. All right, Joe Mixon, Zay Jones, Kyle Rudolph. We got Nick Perry. We got Mike Evans, Richard Sherman, Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie, AJ Green. Got Zeke from the Fantasy Stars. And Adam Brennan, Dante Pettis, and Kalen Ballage. Christian McCaffrey, Paxton Lynch, Devonta Freeman, DeAndre Hopkins, Derek Johnson, Mario Edwards. And we got a scorecard of Graham Gano, Derek Carr, Todd Gurley on captains. And we got a Mason Rudolph, JT Barrett, and Minkah Fitzpatrick. Got Derek Wolfe, Deshaun Kaiser, Zach Cunningham, Aaron Donald, Chris Hogan. Got O.J. Howard, got J.J. Watt, parallel, gold parallel. Color Rush, Aaron Rodgers, Darius Geis, Jake Winky, Dean Cain, and Mark Walton. Got Tariq Cohen, Mike Wallace, Nagata. We got Blake Bortles, Joe Hayden, Richard Matthews, Nelson Aguilar. And we got Julian Edelman, all hands team. Huddle up for the Cowboys. Chase Edmonds, Tavon Bryan, and Vita Vea. Charles Clay, Terrence Williams, Adrian Peterson, Julius Thomas, Eli Apple, Chris Thompson, and for the 49ers, got a patch of Ronnie Lott. Going to Don. Travis Kelce. On sidelines, Russell Wilson, captains. And Denzel Ward, Chase Laton, and Calvin Ridley. Calvin Ridley for Atlanta. The Go Parallel, no, it wasn't numbered. Verify that look on the back, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't numbered. But J.J. Watt. Tevin Coleman, Gianni Bernard, Xavier Rhodes, Clinton Dix, Kareem Hunt. We got Josh McGowan, Eric Reed, Deshaun Watson. Got Tom Brady for the Patriots. Rashad Penny, Logan Woodside, and Shaquem Griffin. Yeah, that go to J.J. Watt was not numbered. All right, Kareem Hunt, Julius Thomas, Haloti Ngati, Blake Bortles, Zach Cunningham, Aaron Donald. Showcase. Now this one is numbered. It's going to be 94 out of 99 for the Bears. And that's going to Amos. Cameron Meredith. Then we got a Big Ben scorecard. Hey, there's Sam Darnold for the Jets. Going to Shane. He's supposed to be starting this weekend. Roquan Smith. Let's see. Darren Payne and Jaleel Scott. Yeah, I like that blue too, Shane. Stands out. All right, Luke Kalicki, Von Miller, Will Fuller, DeAnthony Thomas, Gerald McCoy, Navarro Bowman, and got a Logan Woodside. Got Adrian Peterson, Color Rush. Got Devontae Adams, Celebration. DJ Moore on the rookies, Rashawn Green, and Jamon Moore. Corey Coleman, Desmond King, Sammy Watkins, Donta Hightower, Cameron Brate, Bruce Irvin. It's another Ronald Jones. Tampa Bay going on the gold. Nice looking card. Got Big Ben, Drew Brees, got Marcus Allen, Joshua Jackson, Nyheim Hines. Did notice on that blue that one corner might have just a little bit of a nick on it up here. Everything else looks alright on it. Alright, 2019 Prestige. We got Jarvis Landry, Devonta Freeman, James Devlin. We got Calais Campbell, Sam Darnold, Olivier Vernon, Derwin James, and Irv Smith Jr. for the Vikings. Miles Jack, Tyler Lockett, Aaron Donald, Mason Crosby, Larry Fitzgerald, and we got a Lamar Jackson alma mater patch. This will be Lamar Jackson night. Went to Baltimore, went to Brock. It's a nice card. Got Saquon and Quadre Olison. All right, Malcolm Butler, Leighton Vander Esch, John Brown, Kyle Fuller, Chandler Jones, Tyron Smith. We got Impressions, Jared Goff, and Emmanuel Hall for Chicago. Cameron Hayward, Phillip Rivers, Jimmy G, Darius Slay, Keenan Allen, Mitchell Trubisky, Juju, Rising Stars, and a Hakeem Butler for Arizona. Got Deshaun Jackson. Whoops, 2 cards there. Tyler Higbee, Derrick Henry, Marcel Atman, Gerald McCoy, Jared Goff. Got a Aqib Talib, Aaron Jones extra points, and Terry McLaurin for Washington. Washington going to Carson. T.Y. Hilton, Zach Ertz, Will Fuller, Dak Prescott, Austin Eckler, Damian Williams, and Patrick Mahomes. Highlight reel. And Brian Burns for the Panthers. All right, Taysom Hill, Royce Freeman, Nick Foles, Zeke, Julian Edelman, another Patrick Mahomes. Extra points, Mark Andrews, and Paris Campbell for the Colts. Patrick Mahomes going to Mark. Pack of Prestige, and we'll get into the Absolute. Calvin Ridley, Mark Ingram, Chris Thompson, Sterling Shepard, Jalen Ramsey, Mari Cooper. We got Steve Young and a Danny Dimes for the Giants. Going to Brock. All right, 2020 Absolute. All right, Mitchell Trubisky, Jarrett Stidham. And we're going to have a patch, Paris Campbell for the Colts. And that's going to Brock. I got Curtis Samuel. Jacob Eason for the Colts, going to Brock. Artur Gross-Matos, Panthers. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. That's going to Mauricio. CeeDee Lamb for the Cowboys. Let's see, who's got Dallas? That's going to Mark. And Kid Reporter. All right, Xavier Howard, Drew Brees. Got Aaron Rodgers, G.J. Chark on the red zone. K.J. Hamler, Broncos. Denzel Mims. Quez Watkins for the Eagles. And Jake Luton for the Jaguars. Denzel Mims going to Shane. All right, Odell Beckham, Amari Cooper, Matthew Stafford, got a green Chris Godwin, and we got A.J. Terrell, John Hightower. A.J. Terrell's the Falcons, Hightower's the Eagles, and we got Noah Beam, whatever how you say his last name, to the Dolphins, and J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. J.K. Dobbins going to Brock. Got Mark Ingram, Melvin Gordon, Stephon Diggs, got Warren Moon, Xavier McKinney for New York, Jeremy Chin for the Panthers, Cam Akers for the Rams, Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. All right, we got Joe Mixon, Kyler Murray, DK Metcalf, and we got a green of Darnell Mooney, Darnell Mooney's with the Bears, DJ Dallas, Seahawks, Patrick Queen, Ravens, Drake Fromm with the Bills, AJ Epineza with the Bills. Yeah, that's right, Nathan. Warren Moon will go to the Titans. And Jake Fromm going to Nicholas. Cooper Kupp, Marquise Brown, Phillip Rivers, got Dalvin Cook, Stargazing, Ben DiNucci, Cowboys, Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. We got Daryl Taylor, Seahawks, and Neville Gallimore. Whoop. On to the Vikings. There's the Vikings. Jonathan. We got Mike Evans, George Kittle, Juju. Got Tyreek Hill, green. Isaiah Simmons to the Cardinals. Willie Gay to the Chiefs. Jeff Okudu for the Lions. C.J. Henderson for the Jaguars. Good reporter. All right, Travis Kelce, Anthony Miller, Daniel Jones. It's an introduction for the Vikings. Justin Jefferson, one of the Jonathan. Then we got Kenneth Murray for the Chargers, Darrington Evans for the Titans. We got Jawan Jennings for the 49ers, Antonio Gibson for Washington. Washington going to Carson. All right, we'll get into the Absolute Mega Box. See if we can find a kaboom in this. Jared Goff, Jarrett Stidham, got Aaron Rodgers, and we got a rookie force, rookie patch, a Chase Claypool for the Steelers. That's going to Don. Nice card. Mark Ingram, red. Then we got a red of A.J. Dillon for the Packers. Isaiah Simmons for the Cardinals. Willie Gay for the Chiefs. Jeff Okudu for the Lions. C.J. Henderson for the Jaguars. Packers going to Sean. Nice Claypool patch. All right, we got Austin Eckler, Adam Thielen, got Amari Cooper, Matthew Stafford, Melvin Gordon, red. We got Tom Brady, flashback. Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. Darrington Evans, Titans. Jawan Jennings for the 49ers. Antonio Gibson. This pack's got the same cards on some of them. I'm sure you noticed. Alright, 2 more packs, guys. Should have auto in one of these. Le'Veon Bell, Ryan Tannehill, Stephon Diggs, and looks like our auto is going to be Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. And that's going to be 32 of 75. Let's see who's got the Chargers. Don. It's a good looking card. Got Joe Mixon, red. Got Jonathan Taylor for the Colts, red. It's Justin Herbert for Don. Got Darnell Mooney for the Bears, and Nate Stanley for the Vikings. Isaiah Coulter for the Texans. Not a bad pack. Jonathan Taylor red going to Brock. Kenneth Murray out of 75. Got Von Miller. Yeah, I like that rookie card, Shane. Terry McLaurin. We got Kyler Murray. DK Metcalf. Got a red, a Cooper Kupp. Got Christian McCaffrey, stargazing. Then we got a Van Jefferson for the Rams. Jeff Gladney. Jeff Gladney's for the Vikings. Brian Edwards for the Raiders. KJ Osborne for the Vikings. Let me sleeve this Van Jefferson and we'll do a quick recap. We got Van Jefferson, Jerry Jeudy, got a red, Jonathan Taylor, Daniel Jones, Antonio Gibson, Lamar Jackson. We got A.J. Dillon red, Justin Jefferson, Antonio Gibson, Justin Jefferson, Jake Fromm, Cam Akers, Keyshawn Vaughn. Got J.K. Dobbins, Denzel Mims, Paris Campbell patch, Jacob Eason. Got Ronald Jones, Go Parallel. Cameron Smith, and that's going to be 94 out of 99. I mean Cameron Meredith. Sam Darnold, Patrick Mahomes, another Patrick Mahomes. Got Terry McLaurin, got Ronald Jones. We got Tom Brady. Ronnie Lott patch, Russell Wilson, Calvin Ridley, Aaron Rodgers, Justin Herbert, Kenneth Murray. That's going to be 32 out of 75, Kenneth Murray auto. We got C.D. Lamb, got Lamar Jackson patch, alma mater. And we got a Chase Claypool rookie patch, rookie force. That's all we got tonight, guys. Won't be doing anything tomorrow, but we'll be back Monday for another break and hope to see you then. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.